morning everyone, this is Tina and welcome to my mini vlog. So ngayon po ang vlog po natin for today's video is dito lang po tayo sa bahay right now. Kasi po nga ang lakas po ng bagyo dito sa amin. So I think we are in a signal number 3 in this typhoon. Kaya yun. So napakalakas po talaga ng hangin dito sa Isabela. So right now po dito lang po tayo sa bahay at just keep safe everyone. So yeah. So ayan guys, as you can see outside. So yan guys, nasa balcony ako ng bahay namin right now. So as you can see outside, too much raining and then too much wind. This is bad guys. So too much raining and too much wind. So too much strong wind. So yan, just be take care everyone. So yan, nakakatakot ng hangin. So just keep safe and just be pray and be strong guys. Malalagpasan din natin